Okay, this is the electric load center. Just over here on the south side of the patio deck. As the cables are coming into the house, see these bottom two? They're kind of hard to see, the one on the right, how it curves. Those are called drip legs. Drip loops. See the one up at the top? It doesn't have a sufficient drip loop to keep water, because water will migrate 3 inches back down into the meter. Meter box, and this box should be sealed on 3 sides to help prevent moisture infiltration into the wall system. This is not the original load center, but I am not noticing, I cannot find a green tag where a permit was pulled to replace the electrical here. It says 150 amps, and that's what the breakers are rated for. But I'm also measuring up to 130 amps coming into the house, so you have more power available from the power company. But you know, the breakers are sized to the wires, were sized to the house. This is the GFCI for the pump equipment. This is the clothes washer breaker, and that should be GFCI. Then this breaker here for the mini split is 30 amps, and the mini split is rated for 25 amps, so the mini split is overfused. This is the breaker for the main condensing unit, and it is properly fused, and we do not have GFCI on this. And then down here we've got one for this main unit. We got a white hot right here. See how this one's wrapped with black? I know it's silly. See that black marker on there? And that's been identified as a hot wire. If you don't know this hot, you don't belong in this box. I get that. But there it is. And then we come on along, but this is for the mini split, and they did not mark this wire black. Is that going to change the way the wire acts? No, really not going to. Moving on along, what I'm not seeing in here is a notice of some sort that tells us where the electrical system is bonded. So I have no idea where the electrical system is bonded. And then this is called handwriting. Okay? The manufacturer thinks that, I guess the manufacturer is GE. We can't really tell, can we? GE Load Center? Yep. Doesn't matter. All the manufacturers want this printed. Where it says 15 amps, GE, that's printing. See where it says Sylvania? That's printing. See where it says Siemens? That's printing. Well, that fits in there. Not very well. Why? Because that breaker doesn't belong in here. You're not supposed to mix brands of breakers. You got GE, Sylvania, and Siemens breakers on the same panel. And most manufacturers want their own stuff in there. I'm just saying. It's probably a GE panel. Bonding location is not labeled. Don't see a building permit. Hand labeled breakers. Not accurately labeled either. Just lighting. They want something a little more specific than that. Printed. It should be sealed on 3 sides. And one of our drip loops is too shallow.